At 5, runny nose, itchy throat, watery eyes, all signs of extremely high pollen numbers that we're seeing here in metro Atlanta. Atlanta News First reporter Brittany Ford joining us live at 5 along Northside Drive in West Midtown with how we can all get some relief. Brittany.
Well, Carly, yeah, and this is usually a sign that it has got bad. All that yellow stuff that we've been seeing on our cars, outdoor patio furniture, really everywhere. Health officials say there are steps you can take to minimize your exposure, but it's also important to know when symptoms turn dangerous. If you've been outdoors the last 24 hours.
When I get that little tickle in my throat, I'm like, okay, it must be time.
You've probably felt what has been the highest pollen count of the season in metro Atlanta, as tree pollen is in full bloom.
100% it's in the air. It seems like today it just went boom, it's here.
Experts say there are steps you can take to ease your exposure. You can start with limiting your time outdoors, keeping your doors and door windows closed, and frequently changing your AC filters. Washing your bedding and or cleaning blinds and curtains is also a good tip. The big one is showering after you've been outdoors. These are the symptoms doctors say you need to watch out for.
The biggest worrisome signs that people need to seek immediate health care is shortness of breath and wheezing where you can't catch your breath. You need to be seen immediately for those.
Dr. Danny Brandsetter, Director of Infection Prevention at Wellstar, says if over-the-counter medicines aren't working for you,
If those are not working, then it's time to see your doctor.
and if you rely on go-to medications or home remedies, people we spoke to had this to say about allergy season.
Part of living in Georgia. That's right. That's right.
A part of living in Georgia. Now, doctors are also suggesting you avoid outside activities when pollen numbers peak. That's usually during the early morning hours and the afternoon hours. They're also suggesting if you have to go outside, wear sunglasses or a mask to help avoid exposure. Reporting live in West Midtown, Brittany Ford, Atlanta News First.